Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your coat color into Bitget, meaning how can you change your up and down color into Bitget. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open Bitget and tap to this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply select that, and after that choose this gear option into the top right corner. Select here, and after that you will get this option of coat color in here directly. Just simply tap to coat color and you will get these two options between green up and red down, and other one is red up and green down, which means if you select the first option, your growth will be shown into the red and downfall or negative will show into red, and if you select the second one, it will be the vice versa. Just simply select the option which will be more suitable and effective to you. Just simply tap to any of those and your coat color will successfully be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.